Have you ever wondered what it's like inside the most famous, most secure airplane in the world? We're talking about Air Force One, the flying White House, for decades. The iconic blue and white Boeing 747 has been a symbol of American power, carrying the president across the globe. But that era is coming to an end. A new generation of Air Force One is on its way, and today, we're taking you on an exclusive deep dive into what makes this new aircraft the most advanced presidential transport ever built. This isn't just a simple upgrade. The current planes, designated VC-5A, have been in service since the early 1990s. While they've been meticulously maintained, the technology is aging. Spare parts are becoming scarce, and the four-engine design is less fuel-efficient than modern jets. So, the US Air Force embarked on a mission to create a successor, the VC-5B program. The new planes are based on the Boeing 747-8 Intercontinental, the latest and largest version of the legendary jumbo jet. But these are no ordinary 747s. They are being transformed from the ground up into flying fortresses, command centers, and presidential suites, all rolled into one. The price tag for this transformation is staggering, coming in at over $5 billion for the two aircraft. So, what exactly does that kind of money buy? Let's start with the exterior. The most noticeable change is the new paint job. After much debate, the classic light blue and white livery, designed in part by Jacqueline Kennedy, is being replaced. The new design features a patriotic red, white, and a deeper, more modern blue. Closer to the shade on the American flag, it's a bold new look for a new era. But the real magic happens inside and under the skin. The VC-5B will be a true mobile command center, allowing the president to run the country from 40,000 feet, even during a national crisis. This means it's equipped with the most advanced and secure communications systems imaginable. We're talking encrypted satellite links, high-speed internet, and multiple secure phone and video conferencing lines. The aircraft is hardened against an electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, which could be generated by a nuclear explosion and would normally fry all electronics. This ensures the president can remain in contact and in command. No matter what's happening on the ground, the plane's defense systems are straight out of a spy movie. While the exact details are highly classified, we know it includes state-of-the-art missile warning systems, electronic countermeasures to jam enemy radar, and flare and chaff dispensers to decoy heat-seeking and radar-guided missiles. It's essentially a military-grade defense suite on a commercial-sized airframe. This flying fortress is designed to be the safest place on Earth for the president when they are in the air. Now, let's step inside. The new Air Force One will have about 4,000 square feet of interior space. Spread across 3 levels, it's a significant upgrade in space and functionality. At the front of the aircraft is the extensive presidential suite. This isn't just a fancy bedroom. It includes a private office, a conference room, and personal quarters. The office is where the president can work, take secure calls, and even deliver a televised address to the nation from the sky. It will be a fully functional Oval Office in the air. The conference room doubles as a dining room where the president can hold meetings with staff, cabinet members, or foreign dignitaries. And of course, there are private living quarters with a bedroom and bathroom, allowing the president to rest and arrive refreshed even after a long intercontinental flight. Moving back from the presidential suite, you'll find a fully equipped medical facility. This is far more than a first aid kit. It's a mini hospital with an operating table, emergency medical supplies, and a dedicated doctor on board for every flight. It's prepared to handle almost any medical emergency that could arise. The plane also features extensive accommodations for the people who travel with the president. There are quarters for senior staff, Secret Service agents, and a traveling press corps. Unlike a commercial flight, every seat is a comfortable one. Designed for working and resting during long journeys, there are also 2 large galleys or kitchens that can store and prepare food for up to 100 people for an extended period. The chefs on board can whip up anything from a quick snack to a multi-course state dinner. The plane is designed to be self-sufficient for long durations, meaning it can feed its passengers and crew for weeks if necessary without needing to restock. One of the most impressive features is the plane's range and refueling capability. The Boeing 747-8 is already a long-range aircraft, but the new Air Force One will also be capable of mid-air refueling. This gives it virtually unlimited range and endurance, a critical capability during a crisis. It means the plane can stay airborne for days on end, circling safely while decisions are made or a situation on the ground stabilizes. The cockpit is also getting a massive upgrade. The 747-8 features a modern glass cockpit with large digital displays, replacing the hundreds of analog dials and switches found on the older VC-5A. This makes flying the massive jet more efficient and provides the pilots with much more information and situational awareness. The journey to get these new planes into service has been complex. The program has faced delays due to supply chain issues and the intricate modifications required. Initially, the planes were expected to be delivered by 2024, but the timeline has been pushed back. The Air Force is now working to get these incredible machines flying as soon as possible. When they finally take to the skies, the new VC-5B aircraft will carry on the legacy of Air Force One, but with capabilities that were once the realm of science fiction. They represent the pinnacle of aviation technology, a flying symbol of the American presidency that is secure, connected, and ready for any challenge the 21st century can throw at it. It's more than just a plane, it's a statement, a tool of diplomacy, and a sanctuary in the sky, ensuring the US leadership can function anytime, anywhere. Thanks for joining us on this inside look at the future of presidential travel. It's an amazing piece of engineering and a fascinating part of American history in the making. What do you think of the new design and capabilities? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you next time.